So for my app, I'm in the button click event, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a variable, which is this purple one, and I'm going to drag a variable on here. So right now it's VAR for variable and then the letter X. Instead of X, I'm going to type the word length because that is what I want to store. And in this box, I need to set my length. So I'm going to use my UI controls, and UI stands for user interface. And in here, there's one called get number. And you'll notice you can hold your mouse over any of these and see what it is. So I'm going to get the number, so I'm going to drag that in. And I'm going to click this little drop down, and these are all the different elements on my screen. So txt length was the text box for the length. Now that I have that, I'm going to use this variable screen and I'm going to add another console.log. And what I want to do is I want to take that variable, which is length, and output it. So I'm going to just find that variable, and I should be able to just delete this. So if I just type the word length, no quotation marks, I should be able to run this. And if I look at my console, if I click calculate, it's coming up NaN. That means not a number because I haven't entered anything. So if I put the number 5 and calculate, now it's going to output the number 5. And if I put a decimal number in there, it will calculate. But the moment I add some strange character, oh, it is recognizing that there's still 5.5 in there. Let's say I'm going to type the number. Number 5, calculate, and it doesn't recognize it, so it says not a number. So this is really useful because now I know that I'm storing the value of length, and I can also see that if I'm entering something it doesn't recognize, it's giving the not a number indication, and that allows me to troubleshoot my program.